On Git and GitHub. For beginners, it is very necessary to understand, especially when they are working within a team. So, how to upload their individual work in the same and common repository. So, first need to access it, and then how to upload their individual work. That is very important. So, we will go step by step. It is very easy to understand here because I am going in a very simple step. First, you have to go for the google.co.in. You simply write here GitHub download. So you can see here a lot of links are there. You can click here anyone, but I will suggest you to go for this download Git SCM. Here you can see here operating system. According to your operating system, you can download the files. So here I have a Windows system, so I will simply click on download. Now it will ask whether you whatever your configuration is there, 32-bit or 64-bit. I have a 64-bit, so I will click on the 64-bit, and you can see here .exe file is generated and it is going to be downloaded. So I'll click on the start download. So it will download into my download folder in my local system. So for that we have to just wait for 1 minute, and after 1 minute it will be stored that same exe file into the download folder. You can see here download folder, and under this program folder it will get downloaded. So again we have to wait for the 47 second. It is getting download very fast because it depends on your transfer rate, uh, internet speed, and also on the full downloaded files configurations or file size. So it has, you can see here it has been downloaded. So I will go for the, you can click here on open folder here also. So you can see here in this, under this download folder, under this program folder, I have this file, git file. So now I can click on this git file. So installation will start. So we need to just click on the next and next. So you can see here installation has been start. Just we have to keep patience for a few seconds. It will be extract all the files, git files, into your program directly so that the git will work nicely in your local system. So once this installation will be finished, then one finish button will come. Here you can see now this has been completed, installation has been completed, and within a few seconds finish button will come. See, this is the finish button. I have to click on the finish button and your installation has been completed. Now we need to check it out whether how it has been installed, where it has been installed. So for that we have to, on search bar we have to go for the command prompt. You can simply write cmd, command prompt will come. You can click on the open, and you can, here you can see here by default prompt c prompt will come. So you can write git. So you can see here all the git related files are there. Now I will go for my XAMPP folder. Viewers, you might have seen my last video. How, if you have not seen the last video, how to install XAMPP and how to extract the web server Apache for the PHP files, then I will put the link, same link into my description box, and you can access there. So here I will go first for cd XAMPP cdst docs, and here I can see here directory. There's a few folders are there already. I have worked on it. So now I will go for the GitHub repository. That is very important. So this is my GitHub repository. Here I will, this is my github.com/vinit19. This is all the projects I have uploaded here. So I can access anyone. Okay, so I will, as of now I will click for Laravel coding test level 2, this folder. So if you have any the GitHub repository, you simply have to click on that URL. This folder obviously this folder will come to GitHub, and then you have to you have to copy this URL. So this is the project folder. Company will provide you link like this. This will be the GitHub, then branch, and then this will be the branch is not necessary, but the project folder will be there. So every project folder will have, you can clone. You just copy it from by clicking right click on from the mouse, copy it, and here you have to write there git clone, clone, git clone, and then you have to paste this URL. So once you click on the enter, you can see here it is getting download. Now I will go to the directory folder dir. It will show you the directory which has been downloaded. So you can see here Laravel coding test level 2. Now I will go to the Laravel this level 2. Okay, and I will change some file and I'll show you how it works. See, this is the folder. I will go to the controller folder in the project controller. Suppose I will change something, I will modify any function here. I will remove a space here. And I will give one space here. I'll control S, I'll do the control S. And after that, you can see here git status. You have to write git status. So you can see here whatever file we will change into our local system, it will reflect here. Okay, but before that you have to check also which branch you have. So if you put it git branch, so you can see here main. By default, it will always be a main. You can create your own branch also, like by git checkout minus b, and you can see here now there are two branch. Again, if you have to go main branch, so you simply you can write git checkout main. So now you can see your branch is main branch. You can see here start. So it tells you are currently within this branch. So now I can see again I'll see git status. So I have changed something in this file. This file will reflect here. So how to do add into the repository here. Now this is the common repository who five, suppose 5 and 10 people are working in within a team. They are, this folder is accessible for all, but whatever changes in my local system, how they will get it, and once I will upload on this folder. So how to do this? So I will put git add, and then I have to copy this file path and I will put enter. So now I will git commit. In git commit, under the this git commit command, you have to write what all you have done it, what all file you change it. File it will show you, but what exactly you have done it, for what purpose you have modified the functions. So you have to write like function index modified. So you can see here one file change, one insertion, one deletion. Now you have to push it. So you have to again check it which branch you have. So you have main branch. So like same you can git push origin main. The main is the branch. So you have to just click the enter. So now you can see here your changes will reflect to this. Now this is the result will come out once you will push the file into the main branch, and you can see here this app http controller and in within the function index modify.